Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 26/9/2020. I will start new chapter, chapter number 16, and name of the chapter is Weather and Seasons. So, student, see what is weather and what is season. What is the difference between weather and season? So, student, you have observed that some days are hot while others are cold. Sometime it rains and at other times it dry. So, why this happens? Okay, sometime the days are very hot, sometime it is cold, sometime it is rainy. So all these changes, why this happens? Okay, student, so this happens because of the changes in the atmosphere of a particular place. So the condition of the so student, the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. So student, all the time weather changes. Okay, it you will observe that it changes during the day and also from day to day. When you have observed student, when in the morning the sun appears, at that time the weather is cool, and in the day the weather is hot. But at the same time, when it is night and there is no sunlight, at that time the weather is cool. So weather changes all the time. Is it clear? Weather changes all the times and also from day to day, and all these things depends upon the heat of the sun. Because see student, due to the heat of the sun, what's happens, there is a change in the temperature. because the only source of light on our planet is that sun. So the heat of sun causes change in the temperature, and this temperature changes. What due to this, what happens? This temperature change brings movement of the air, and this moving air causes the weather to change. Is it clear? So now how the temperature changes? The temperature change due to the heat of the sun, and due to the heat of the sun, what's happened, student? It brings about the movement of the air. Okay, and the air heated by the sun, the same thing which I already explained you when I am teaching you, I think chapter number 9, water. There I already explained you what is water cycle. Okay, so one more time I will explain you what is water cycle. So student, the weather changes due to the heat of the sun, because how the change in the temperature take place, the changes in the temperature take place due to the heat of the sun, and due to this heat of the sun there is the movement of the air. Is it clear? And due to this heat of the sun there is the movement of air, and the moving air is known as wind, and it causes the weather to change. So how this is possible? Let recapitulate what I explained you. See student, you observe many times that the sometimes the days are very hot, nights are cool, or sometimes it rains. So weather, what is weather? Weather always change, time to time, hour to hour, and day to day, and all these changes are possible due to which? All these changes are possible due to the heat of the change. Because how the temperature changes? Temperature changes due to the heat of the sun. And what happens? Due to the heat of the sun, there is the movement of the air. A movement of air is known as wind. Movement of air and this causes change in the weather. Okay, now see, for example, when due to the heat of the sun, what's happened? Water evaporate. When the sunlight falls on the water bodies, when the sunlight falls on the water body, then what's happened? Water evaporates. Is it clear? It means water change in the form of a water vapor, because the boiling temperature of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. So when the sunlight falls on the surface of the water bodies, the water, due to sunlight, the water heat, and then it evaporate, it change in the form of a vapor. Then what happens? This warm air, it moves upward. This warm air moves upward, because when the water change in the form of a water vapor, it becomes light, and this hot air moves upward. So student, when this hot air come in contact with the cool air, then what's happened? The two process I already explained you, which take place a very important role in the water cycle, is that evaporation and condensation. The two process which are very important in water cycle, that is evaporation and condensation. So when the water evaporate, it rises up and carries water vapor. Now what happen, when this water vapor come in touch with a cool air, then again it condenses. Now which process take place? Condensation. You know na, there are how many forms of water? There are three states of water. Three state, or you can also write three form of. Okay, see, solid form is ice. Okay, water vapor form is, when it is in the form of a water vapor, then it is in which form? Gas form. And water is a liquid. So there are three forms of a water: solid, liquid and gas. Now see, all the changes in temperature take place due to the heat of the sun. जितनी भी बेटा टेम्परेचर जो है, कभी होता है बहुत हॉट होता है, कूल होता है, या कभी देखते हो रेन होने लगती है, बहुत बारिश होने लगती है. सो जितनी भी चेंजेस इन टेम्परेचर में, हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? दिस इज पॉसिबल ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सन. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, व्हेन द वाटर, when the sunlight falls on the surface of the water, water evaporates. Okay, and then it rises upward. So after that, what happens, when these water vapor come in touch with the cool air, then what's happened? Again the process of condensation take place. Again the process of condensation take place. What happens here? The water vapor cools. So when the water vapor cools, it again change in the form of a liquid. Is it clear? When the water vapor cools, again it change in the form of a liquid. When water vapor comes in come in touch with cool air, okay, now see student, when water vapor come in touch with cool air, it changes into water, and these tiny drops of water joins to form the clouds. these tiny drops of water, these tiny drops of water join to form clouds. Okay, so student, in this form clouds are formed when water vapor comes in touch with a cool air, it changes into water, and these tiny drops of water join to form clouds. Join to form clouds. In this form, student, clouds are formed. Now student, और जो इवापोरेशन की प्रोसेस है बेटा, ये तो कंटिन्यूस है, ऐसा तो नहीं है फिर ये स्टॉप हो जाएगी. सो इट इज अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. सो दीज tiny drops of water join to form clouds. So when the weight of these tiny drops of water is very heavy, okay, so what's happened, it start coming from the clouds in the form of a rain. It start coming in the form of a rain. ठीक है, तो यही क्लाउड से फिर क्या है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेन दिस वाटर अगेन comes down. Is it clear? And where the temperature is very cold, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत कोल्ड होता है, जैसे इंडिया में भी आप देखो लेह लद्दाख है, जम्मू कश्मीर है, where the temperature is cold. So student, what happens in some places where the temperature is very cold, so these also come in the form of a snow. Okay, it also come in the form of a snow, where the temperature is very less, where the temperature is very less. तो ऐसी प्लेसेस जहाँ का टेम्परेचर बहुत कोल्ड होता है, तो वहां ये रेन के रूप में भी वाटर ड्रॉप्स नीचे आते हैं, या वहां स्नो फॉर्म में भी नीचे आते हैं. आप लोगों ने सुना है ना, पहाड़ों पे बर्फ गिरती है, सुना है ना. एंड दिस कंप्लीट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज वाटर साइकिल. दिस कंप्लीट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज वाटर cycle. Okay, see, due to the heat of the sun, water moves up in the form of a water vapor, again it cools and small drops of a water, tiny drops of water join to form the clouds, and when these drops of water become very heavy, then again from the clouds it comes in the form of a rain. But in the areas where the temperature is very cold, so in that places it also come in the form of a it also comes in the form of a it also come in the form of a snow. It also come in the form of a snow. सुना है ना, पहाड़ों पे बर्फ गिरती है, सो स्नो फॉर्म में भी ये नीचे आता है. सो दिस कंप्लीट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज वाटर साइकिल. इसी को हम लोग पूरे को क्या बोलते हैं, वाटर साइकिल. Now see, with the help of a diagram also, I explain this to you. Now see student, the sunlight falls. What is this? This is water bodies. ये क्या है? What is this? This is water bodies. So student, when the sunlight falls, then water rises in the form of a water vapor. And the most important thing is that student, the position of the arrow. Okay, many times children ask that, sir, I have drawn a right figure, but why I get a 0? So your position of the arrow should be right. Okay, so when the sunlight falls, so water evaporate, it change in the form of water vapor and it rises upward. So see, this is the first position of a arrow, it rises upward. Okay, so what process here going on? Evaporation. Okay, now here when the water come in the touch with the cool air, then it condenses. Okay, and it form clouds. ठीक है, what is this? This is clouds. Okay, now see student, so what happen here? Here condensation हुआ. What process come here? Condensation. Condensation. Okay, now again from these clouds, when these drops of water become very heavy, it comes down in the form of a rain. It comes down again in the form of a rain. So what is this? In the form of a rain. And I already explained you the places where the temperature is very cold. It also, for example, this mountains area where the temperature is very cold, it also comes in the form of a snow, and this process is known as precipitation. Okay, this you will study in class 4, लेकिन मैंने आपको बता दिया, when it come in the form of a snow, hail, so this form is known as precipitation. Okay, so this is the complete process of, this is your water so position of the arrow is this, then this, and again it come down in the form of a rain. So now the position of the arrow is downwards, means the water moves from the ground, it form clouds, and again from the clouds it's come down. So student, this process is continuous. This process is continuous. So weather depends upon sun, winds, clouds and rain. ठीक है, लेकिन जो सन की लाइट है, ड्यू टू सनलाइट, हाउ मूवमेंट कैसे हुई विंड्स की? ड्यू टू सनलाइट. ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दिस what are forms? Clouds are formed. And from where the rain drops are coming? These rain drops are coming from the clouds. Okay, so the weather किस पे डिपेंड होता है बेटा? The weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds and rain. Is it clear? See, weather depends on the sun, wind clouds and, ठीक है, the weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds and rain. But the most important thing is what, how all these things are formed. All are formed due to the light of the sun. ठीक है, वेदर कह रहा है वेदर डिपेंड्स ऑन द सन, विंड, क्लाउड्स एंड रेन. सो ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सन, due to the heat of the sun, there is the movement of the air, which is known as wind. And due to this, what happens, clouds are formed, and then from the clouds it rain. So all the things depend upon the sunlight. Is it clear? So student, all the things depends on the sunlight. Sunlight, all the things depends upon the sunlight. Okay, now let's understand a weather. I hope you all are able to understand weather क्या है. weather क्या है कि time to time it changes or day to day it changes. That is a weather, and all it depends upon the temperature. और टेम्परेचर में जो चेंजेस होती हैं, हाउ दिस इज, द चेंजेस इन द टेम्परेचर डिपेंड अपॉन द सनलाइट. ओके, वेदर समटाइम इट इज हॉट, समटाइम इट इज कोल्ड, समटाइम इट रेन्स. सो different types of things we observe. So it depends upon the temperature. And how the changes in the temperature take place? The changes in the temperature take place due to the heat of the sun, because due to the heat of the sun only there is the movement of the air, and due to the movement of the air, what happens, when due to the sunlight water evaporate, it change in the form of a water vapor, so it moves upward. And due to this, what happens, then clouds are formed, and from these clouds the raindrops again come down on the ground. Okay, so now next is season. What is season? See student, what is season? When the weather remains same for few months, जब एक ही तरह का वेदर कुछ महीने के लिए रह जाता है इन द ईयर, तो उसी को हम लोग सीजन बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? When the weather remains more or less the same for few months in a year, it is called season. तो उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? सीजन. ओके, सो when the weather remains more or less same for few months in a year, it is known as season. ठीक है, so you want to note down, you can note down, when the weather remains more or less same for few months in a year, it is known as season. Okay, thank you student.